Day trip. So we just got a random train, decided to do a day trip. Putrajaya? It's a new city. Grace knows the facts. What are the facts?
New city, self-governed. They bought it in like 1918, but people only just started moving in and actually it being a city in like 1999, I think.
So we're walking through this city right now. We've just been beeped and waved at. People are looking at us. I think we're the first tourists in this place, like, ever. The place is pretty dead. There's no white people here. Full of people in hijabs and there's mosques everywhere and it's just very, very, very new.
What?
There's another bird circling. So we just got to the Putrajaya mosque and Grace has to wear this because she didn't have her head covered. She had everything else covered because we planned for it, but she didn't have her head covered. But the tour guide guy the guy handing out the robes just said we're going to fall in love with this place, so we have to take photos. Been flying around the mosque and met some of the drone guys. We've just been told bon point, and we just got told that the building with the flags and the green roof, you've probably seen it already by this time of the year, is actually the Parliament building, and he basically said if someone sees you flying around there, they will track you down. Yay. So I'll vlog that bit. This is honestly the most peaceful place I've ever been in my life. There's no one here. It's a big city. The sun is setting. It's incredibly gorgeous. There's no one here. I think we're gonna end the vlogging for Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia there. Next stop, Hanoi. Tomorrow we check out of a hostel and then go and camp at the airport for a night, and then we fly to Vietnam, and hopefully we'll get in with the visa and with the drone and in one piece. But bye for now.